I love this city. It's so vibrant and alive. How is this video? This amazing animation is made with AI tools. Now you can also create this kind of 3D movie without deep knowledge of complex animation software. In this video, I will share the step-by-step method of making an animated movie with AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need a story. To make a video, if you already have a story on your mind, then it is great. But what if you don't have any story? AI will generate the story for us. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI writing tool to generate the story. I will use an AI tool called GravityWrite. If you are new to GravityWrite, you can watch this video from the I button. Alright. After creating an account on GravityWrite, come to the FLIM making tool. Here you will find three options: AI film script writer, AI image generation prompts, and movie trailer script. Select AI film script writer from here. Now we have to give some information about our video. First, the genre. Let's try with fantasy. After that, the style. I will go with 3D animation. Then duration of the film. You have to enter the duration. For example, I want a 2-minute video. So I am entering 120 seconds. The next box is about the storyline. You can add a storyline here. It's an optional part. You can skip it. But I strongly recommend adding a storyline. It will help you to create a better story. I am typing two friends save the city from a monster sci-fi fantasy thrill. After all is set, hit the Create Content button and here is our script. GravityWrite wrote a wonderful script with visual suggestions for us. That's really impressive. Okay, our script is ready. Now we will generate visuals for our video. You can use any AI image generator to generate the image. Before generating the images, I will generate the prompts to make it easy. And to do that, I will GravityWrite Image Prompts Generator features. You will find it on the AI Filmmaking tab. Open the AI Image Generator feature on a new tab. After coming to this page, first enter the genre, then the film style. After that, we have to enter the film script here. Go back to the script writer page. Copy the script and then paste it into the prompt generator script box. After all is set, hit the Create Content button and you can see our prompt are ready. Basically, it generates prompts for Midjourney, but you can use it on any image generator AI tool. Today, to generate images, I will use Artflow AI because it can generate consistent character images. Even you can generate multiple consistent characters with Artflow. We already made a video on Artflow. If you are new to Artflow, then watch this video from the I button. Okay, after creating an account on Artflow, come to the Character Builder tab. Before creating the images, I will create the characters of our story. After coming to this page, select Character from here. Now click on the Create Character button from here. After coming to this page, we need to enter the character description on this box. Enter a detailed prompt about your character. After that, you can enter a negative prompt on this box. If you already have a character face, you can add this from here. After all is set, hit the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the character. Let's fast forward this part. Once the process is completed, save the character. After giving a name, here you will find some public characters. As the character creation is a time-consuming process, I am skipping this part for time-saving purposes. Instead of creating the characters, I will use public characters from here to generate my images. Alright, let's move forward to the image creation page. To generate images, come to the Image Studio from here. Now click on Create Image from here. This is the Artflow AI Image Studio. Let's see the first prompt. The very first prompt has no character. Copy the prompt and come back to Artflow Image Studio. Paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now you can enter the negative prompt. After that, set the art style. I will select the 3D cartoon style. After all is set, hit the Generate button. Now we need to wait sometimes. And here it is. Our images are ready. You can see the result. Now download the images on your device. Okay, our first scene image is ready. Let's create the second scene. This time the scene contains two characters. To generate images with multiple characters, we need to turn on the director mode. After turning on the director mode, you will find the ControlNet controller. We can adjust the size and position of the characters. Now to add a character, click on the face body from here. Now select the first character. After selecting the first character, Click on the Add Character button from here. Now you will notice another character has been added to the director panel, and a new character box has also been created. Under Character 1, click on the Add Face or Body from here, and add the second character. Now adjust the size and positions of the character. After that, enter the prompt, the gravity. Right. Next, set the art style and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our images are ready. Now download the images on your device. Now in the same way, generate images with all of the prompts and download them on your device. Alright. Our images are ready. Now it's time to bring life to our image. To do that, I will use Pika Labs. Now, Pika Labs is powerful with lip sync and sound effects technology. Okay, after coming to the Pika Labs homepage, click here and then upload the first image. Next, set the FPS, camera, motion and other settings. After that, enter the first prompt in the prompt docs. After all is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the video. At this moment, I will generate a video for the second scene. Upload the second scene image. This scene has dialogue, so we have to enable the lip sync for it. After coming to this page, paste the dialogue text on this box and then set a voice actor. After that, hit the Generate button and our audio is ready. You can hear a preview. I love this city. It's so vibrant and alive. After generating the audio, click on Attach and Continue. Now select the area of lip sync and then hit the Generate button. In this way, generate videos with lip sync with all of the images and then download them on your device. Alright, now we have all the video clips. Now we will assemble all of them with a video editor. To do this, I will use CapCut. You can use any video editor. After importing all of the video clips on the CapCut video editor, insert the video clips in ascending order. After that, you can add some background music, transitions and effects. After all is set, hit the Export button. It may take some time. And here it is. Our final video is ready. Let's have a look. I love this city. It's so vibrant and alive. You never know what dangers lurk in the shadows. In this method, you can create your own 3D animation movie. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating animation with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.